If you're looking to start making money this year from content creation, then TikTok is currently the easiest platform for you to do so. For instance, I did an experiment with 1-minute video on YouTube in video short format and then published the same video on TikTok, and I tracked this video result on both YouTube and TikTok for 12 hours. Both channels relatively new. My YouTube video managed to do just over 30 views in 12 hours or thereabout, while the same video on TikTok did well over 500 within that same period. But you don't just want to start creating TikTok videos in any random niche, because some niche will be nothing but a sheer waste of time and effort. That is the reason why I created this video, to show you 4 of the best underrated TikTok niche for beginners that will blow up and go viral this very year. The good thing about these niches is that most people are not even talking about them, and so the competition is still very low, and few TikTok channels creating videos in these niches are going very viral with millions of views every day. Creating videos in these niches are super easy. Some can even take you less than 8 minutes to get them done, from creation to publishing, and I will show you how to do them completely with AI in this video. I will also show you places to get videos that you can use for free. If that's your choice, what else do you need? Just make sure you keep watching this video. Now, I researched some of the channels that are creating videos in these niches, and virtually all of them are making from between $1,000 to about $15,000 and even more every month, either with a TikTok creativity program, which you can apply from any country, or even combining with other monetization models on TikTok. It's not too late to start taking action if you too want to catch in on the millions of dollars that TikTok creators are making by creating simple videos on these hidden niches. Make sure you watch the end, especially if you want to see my secret cheat to creating amazing unique videos on TikTok using completely free AI tools. The first niche is one that I accidentally stumbled upon while doing my research for this particular video. I was randomly scrolling through TikTok and I saw this particular video with incredible amount of views. I clicked on it, and the simplicity of the video with such a high view caught my attention. When I looked through the entire channel, I noticed that almost all the videos that look like this video are getting crazy views. Then I decided to check up on this topic from more TikTok channels, and I noticed that all of these videos with this kind of content are getting amazing views, including even very small channels, which is a good news for you. The niche I'm talking about is creating videos about dangerous seas. Here are a few TikTok pages that are creating videos on dangerous seas adventures. Amazing views, as you can see. There are not so many people creating this kind of videos, so you might want to jump in on this topic before a lot of persons find them out. I can guess what you may be thinking: how do I get these videos when I'm not a traveler or someone given to adventure? Yes, what if I tell you that you don't even have to do anything serious to get your videos ready within a short time? In fact, my suggestion is that you should get these videos created in bulk, so that you have enough videos ready that can even be enough for you to post for a whole month. What people creating content about dangerous seas do to get their content ready is to go to a tool like ChatGPT and research on a topic like which seas are the most dangerous. Then, from the result, you can pick out just one sea so that you can focus your videos about that, exhaust it, and then pick another one. But you also want to make sure that the seas you choose is one that is very popular and trending on TikTok. To get these videos, just come here to YouTube and find videos around this topic and put the best ones together. And if you're interested in making money from the TikTok creativity program, then you make sure that each of your videos is longer than at least 1 minute, but make sure that it's not longer than 1 minute so that people can be more interested in viewing them. So if this goes well with you, you can give it a try. The second niche I want to share with you is another one I stumbled upon, which is also commanding crazy amount of views on TikTok. I also checked up on this topic from other TikTok channels, and I found out that virtually all of these videos with this kind of content are also getting thousands, if not millions of views, again including small channels. And the niche I'm talking about is the AI motivation niche. This niche is so easy to create, and it can garner from thousands to even millions of views every day. You don't need to do anything by yourself. You can use completely free AI tools to create your videos, your voiceovers, and even background music for your video. Like I promised, I will show you exactly how to do that in a few seconds. But remember again, you want to make sure that you keep this kind of videos very short, usually no more than 60 seconds long. And again, you want to make sure that you focus on a specific field of motivation, maybe health, maybe finance, self-help, just anything that you know that is working on TikTok. Motivation is a great niche that works evergreen. Just that right now, we are even making things easier and getting better results using AI. Give this a try if it resonates with you. The third recommended YouTube niche that you should be focusing on this year is another niche that is doing crazy amount of views on TikTok with easy to create videos, and one that is not very competitive yet, and it's a sub niche in the travel and tourism niche. What these guys are doing is simply picking out random countries and showing beautiful places to visit there. Again, you don't want to just publish just any kind of video. Maybe that's even the reason why your videos have not been doing very well on TikTok. What you want to do instead is to study patterns of the videos that are doing well and simply copy them. This particular channel seems to have cracked the code because most of their videos follow very similar patterns and they are doing really well. This is a great example that you can model your own videos after. So this is what I would do if I want to make this kind of videos. Again, I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to list out the most beautiful places in the world. Then you want to look for corresponding clips like I explained above and put them into a 1-minute compilation each. I need to mention here that you must give your videos very intriguing titles that will spark the curiosity of your potential viewers to watch. And now, the fourth niche I want to mention here is a stew. I saw someone talk about it and I had no choice than to agree that this niche might even be the hottest on the list. I'm talking about the football or the soccer niche. Now, I don't need to convince you about the popularity of the football niche. I know that you know that already. But I know what you may be thinking. Football niche seems to be a competitive niche. That's true, but this niche is only competitive because everybody seems to be doing the same thing, and that is posting football highlights. We will be doing something different in this video. Instead of posting football highlights, why not pick out popular footballers and create short interesting stories about them? TikTok channels doing something like this love to use hooks, and then they go ahead and tell interesting stories about these popular players. You too want to follow similar pattern. And if you're lost on the story to write, then again you can go to TikTok or YouTube Shorts and find viral videos of these players and then edit them so you don't appear or sound exactly the same like them. Again, you don't always have to use real videos. You can simply use images and then add zoom effect while editing these videos on your favorite editing tool. Go through this list again and I believe you should be able to resonate with at least one of them. And once you do, give it a try on TikTok just as I've explained. So let's go to the bonus tip of this video and let me show you my step-by-step TikTok video creation process that you simply can achieve in a few minutes without paying any dime for it. Number 1, head over to ChatGPT free mode and type in a query around your next video. For example, I may go with a query such as write me 5 simple motivational speeches about success under 3 lines each. And as you can see, ChatGPT already gave us 5 simple but powerful motivational quotes just as we requested. If you're just starting out, this may be perfect as you don't want to create too many lengthy videos. And with this kind of ChatGPT result, you can create powerful videos that will be under 1 minute long. And this, to me, is the recommended length that you should be working towards. Then you want to copy each of these speeches and do a voiceover over each of them. You may decide to use your own voice if you're as confident of yourself as you see me do with my own voice, but if not, then copy your speech and go to 11 Lab. Choose a professional voice of your choice, paste this speech, click generate and save audio. Then again, return to ChatGPT and again use another query like generate 4 prompts to ask ideogram to generate high quality images related to this speech. Paste this speech directly in front of it. Next, design attractive images based on these suggestions. Copy this and go to ideogram, one of the best image tools out there. Paste this prompt, choose random styles and select the dimension for short videos. Click generate and you will see your beautiful images. I'll pick this one out. I love it, so I'll download it for free. Then again, go over to Runway where we will be changing this image into a video. Upload the video we just downloaded from ideogram. Click generate. Again, let's go back to ChatGPT and repeat the same process for the next prompt. Again, ideogram has generated great images that we can convert into amazing videos. I'll pick this and then I'll download them. So again, I'll go to convert these images into videos in Runway. So now that we have these videos to match with our voiceover, what you want to do next is to merge all of these videos together with any free editing tool of your choice. Now, I'm going to use CapCut here because this is a free software that most of us, I think, are already used to. All we need to do here is to align our downloaded audio to our videos so that each can align with the sentences as they play. Choose the TikTok dimension and download your video from CapCut from the Export tab in 60 FPS, then download the video. Since short videos usually come with captions, you can easily use a tool like v.io to add beautiful captions to your videos for free. So go ahead and start creating your videos immediately, but remember that posting 1 or 2 random videos will not cut it. Ask other content creators in any of the platforms and we all agree that consistency is the recipe for success. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and if you're going to give this a try. Thank you and I'll see you in my next video.